Welcome to the Bitcoin Crypto Daily News podcast for March 7th, 2026. It's another volatile day in crypto markets, with Bitcoin pulling back from record highs, major global institutions making bold blockchain moves, and new regulatory headlines that every investor needs to know. First up, Bitcoin's midweek relief rally fizzled as prices dipped to just above $70,000 after hitting $74,000 earlier this week. Short-term sellers took profits ahead of key U.S. jobs data, and rising Middle East tensions pushed oil to $85, raising fresh inflation worries. Meanwhile, derivatives markets point to cautious trading, with short positions piling up and over $250 million in liquidations yesterday. The takeaway? Volatility is back, and cautious optimism is the theme as investors watch for the next move, especially with central banks signaling possible interest rate hikes. In adoption news, the Bank of Canada and the country's biggest banks just completed their first full trial of issuing and settling bonds entirely with digital Canadian dollars on a distributed ledger. In a $100 million test, bonds were sold, traded, and settled automatically on blockchain rails, no traditional clearinghouse needed. This experiment shows major governments are trialing real blockchain use cases in mainstream finance, and Canada's next step is writing new stablecoin and crypto custody laws. For crypto investors, this is an important win for blockchain's real-world adoption. On the institutional front, crypto exchange Kraken has secured a coveted master account with the Federal Reserve. This lets Kraken be the first digital asset company with direct Fed access for dollar settlements, a move that will further legitimize crypto's place in the U.S. financial system. On top of this, President Trump sent a pro-Bitcoin nominee for Fed chair to the Senate. For investors, this could mean even friendlier U.S. crypto policies ahead, though traditional bankers are asking regulators to pump the brakes. To recap, Bitcoin is caught between profit-taking and institutional accumulation as macro risks surge. Blockchain is powering the future of finance in Canada, and regulators from Washington to Ottawa are moving cautiously, but steadily, toward mainstream crypto acceptance. For the latest price moves, regulatory shifts, and the stories that matter most to digital asset investors, be sure to subscribe and check out our daily blog at your blog link here. See you tomorrow with more essential crypto news.